Okay, this is the Chakravyūha. It's kind of a 7-circuit labyrinth with a spiral in the center. So the first thing we're going to do is locate the center. And the center is going to end in a curve right there. So I'm going to get my 3 points in a line here. Actually, I think I'll curve it this way. And with this tool, I have to have a reference point for the previous, for the next line by making a previous line, and we don't have one here. So the first one is going to be just eyeballing the end of the path in the center in a hemisphere that goes from there to there. So here's the end of the path, and then this is going to spiral around, connect to that one, and that gives us our first spiral. And now we have a reference for the rest of the spiral, continuing it around. Now you can make this center spiral as big as you like. The traditional pattern, I believe, has 3 circuits. 1, 2, 3, and then this one turns. The traditional pattern also has a line coming down the middle, 1 path width away from here. But you can also do it with a curve. So I'm going to put an extra spiral in here, just to make it a little bit bigger. That extra spiral is going to increase the size of the overall labyrinth, so your path is going to be a little longer. So, in line with those first 3 dots that I drew, the traditional pattern, there's a straight line that comes down here, and then everything else is drawn relative to that. So there's going to be a 2 path width radius turn here. That's going to be, and then pivot here, 2 path widths from the center line. So I'm going to go 1, 2, and hit that one there. And then I can just come off of here if I want to make this the square one, or I can bring this one around following the previous curve. Now this side, same thing, except this is going to be the entrance into the labyrinth on this circuit, and my pivot point there is going to be 2 path widths over. So there's 1, 2, and then this will be the entrance into the labyrinth here. And then it's just a matter of connecting the dots. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, maybe 7.5 if you don't count the center. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 circuits.